Hello everybody and welcome back to Tech Idea. Here we make tutorials on topics that might be helpful to you in one way or the other. And today I'm going to be showing you guys the best way to earn XP before before you become Demon Slayer. So in order to become a Demon Slayer, you need to do that entrance. If I go over to the map, over here as you can see final selection, you need to do that final selection in order to become a Demon Slayer. But before you do that, this is the best option. This is the alternate best way to level up fast. You want to come over here and talk to Gampa Shiron. Gampa Shiron is going to give you some quests, and you just want to keep on doing this quest. So now, why do I find it the most easiest? That's because easily I can just hit all 4 of them. Now they're going to follow me, and all I have to do, okay, well, that guy is kind of hitting me, but it's easier when no one's hitting you, honestly. But as you can see, I've got 2, he's got 1, and that's it. All 3 has been done, and my sword mastery as well as leveled up. A lot of things leveled up. So after you've done that, you want to defeat Caden. Caden is the boss from here. He also drops a loot chest box, so that's good. And here's Caden. You just want to start fighting Caden. You want to make sure you're doing these fights after you've unlocked quite a few stuff for your breeding style, because otherwise it's gonna be super hard. Now I'll meet you guys after I am done with this boss fight. And with that, the quest has been done. As you can see, I was half, and now it's all the way to complete. And my water mastery is near half, as well as my sword mastery has been quarter done, which I just leveled up, as you've seen in the video. So yeah, this is one of the easiest way to rank up and grind before you can do the final selection. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please drop a like, and if you want to see more videos like this in the future, don't forget to hit that subscribe button as well as that notification bell. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.